Hello there, welcome back to my channel. It's time for my unboxing of the mystery bundle that I got with my winter 2022 FabFitFun box in the refills. It's 2204 MYS 015. Now the refills bundles, they cost like $15 or something like that. They're a little smaller than the normal $29 ones. But this is my first time trying them, so I'm eager to see what we have here. The first item out is Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. I've heard good things about Dr. Brandt products. I recall like a while back I got a sampler from him and it seems like I really like the products, but I don't remember which was which, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying this. I do need a good exfoliator now that it's winter and dry skin season is here, so this should be interesting. The next item out is a hand cream. Pink grapefruit, one of my favorite scents. Again, like I said before, dry skin season is here. I go through so many hand creams. I did get one already with my FabFitFun box, but it's always good to have a backup. The last item here, it looks like a nice winter hat. It looks very cozy and warm. We'll take a closer look. And this hat is from Mucklux, and it's kind of like a just chunky knit hat, very fuzzy, and it has a big pom on top, which I definitely approve of. I like to have a good selection of winter hats because I do live in a very cold weather climate, and I have a few that I switch out around already, so we'll add this to the rotation. The only thing I worry about is it looks like it could shed quite a bit, but I'll go over with my lint roller before I wear it. I do usually like Mucklux products, so I'm looking forward to wearing the hat. Okay, so to recap, we've got the hat, the hand cream, and the pore dermabrasion. Definitely worth $15. I'll keep that refill subscription going as long as I keep the FabFitFun box. So thank you again for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Take care and have a good night.